gathering with regard to the burning Effigies that has been, meeting that has been called by the people of Mawlai. As you can see right now, the streets are empty. We have a lot of, restricted traffic movement, and there are also a lot of, people of localities all the way from Jayau to Mawlai who are manning an incident that might result from this gathering at Mawlai. We have reached Mawlai, Jinking Mawlai, where we can witness a lot of the police personnel are on their guard just in case something untoward has to happen.